The human body is an intricate marvel of nature, a complex system of organs and functions. Yet there's more to it than meets the eye. Beyond the physicality of our bodies, there exists a mystical and interconnected dimension that has intrigued mystics, philosophers, and spiritual seekers for centuries. At the heart of this mystical journey is the pineal gland, often referred to as the third eye. In this journey, we will delve into the significance of the pineal gland and its association with the third eye, exploring the concept of projection, resonance, and the interplay between internal and external forces that shape our perceived reality. Along with this, we will also be covering how the third eye can be opened and used to shape reality. This journey will take us through ancient practices, symbolism, and the intricate nature of our perception, shedding light on the potential for awakening a deeper level of consciousness within ourselves. Located deep within the brain, the pineal gland is a tiny pinecone-shaped structure that measures just a few millimeters. Despite its small size, it has an outsized reputation as the seat of the soul and is often associated with mystical experiences and heightened states of awareness. To understand why, we must first appreciate its biological role and significance. The pineal gland is a remarkable part of the human endocrine system, responsible for the production of melatonin, a hormone that regulates sleep and wake cycles. This gland is sensitive to light and darkness, influencing our circadian rhythms. Its response to light and dark cycles is pivotal to maintaining our internal body clock, ensuring we remain synchronized with the external world. While its biological functions are crucial for our well-being, it's the pineal gland's mystical and symbolic significance that we'll explore further. In various spiritual and mystical traditions, the pineal gland is referred to as the third eye. This term arises from the belief that this small gland holds the key to expanding one's consciousness and perception beyond the physical world. The third eye is often depicted as a single eye located in the center of the forehead, a symbol of insight, intuition, and inner vision. Ancient cultures, such as the Egyptians, recognized the significance of the third eye and incorporated its symbolism into their art and architecture. The Eye of Horus, a prominent symbol in Egyptian mythology, is associated with the pineal gland and represents protection, health, and power. Similarly, the Hindu tradition portrays the third eye as the Ajna chakra, symbolizing intuition, insight, and the connection to higher consciousness. The concept of the third eye goes beyond religious and cultural symbolism. It represents an inner gateway to a deeper understanding of the self and the universe. Activating the third eye is believed to allow an individual to perceive truths and realities beyond the constraints of the physical senses. While the idea might seem esoteric, it carries a profound message that our perception of reality is not solely determined by the external world, but is deeply rooted in our internal state of consciousness. Projection is a fascinating aspect of the third eye's activation. It involves the idea that our internal thoughts, beliefs, and emotions project outward and shape our external reality. This concept is closely tied to the law of attraction, which posits that like attracts like, and your thoughts and feelings can manifest as experiences in your life. When the third eye is awakened, individuals are said to have a heightened ability to manifest their desires and intentions. They can better harness the power of their thoughts and direct their energy toward creating the reality they wish to experience. While this idea may seem fantastical, it is rooted in the belief that our perception of reality is a subjective construct that can be influenced by our inner state. Resonance is another fundamental aspect of the third eye's activation. It involves the notion that we are all interconnected with the universe and that our thoughts and emotions can resonate with the energies of the cosmos. This interconnectedness is not merely a philosophical concept. It has its roots in scientific principles. Quantum physics, for instance, suggests that everything in the universe is connected through fields of energy. The vibrations and frequencies that permeate the cosmos can influence our own energies and experiences. This interconnectedness is akin to the strings of a musical instrument, where each string represents an aspect of our life. When we are in harmony with these cosmic frequencies, our lives are said to be in tune, leading to a sense of flow, synchronicity, and abundance. The third eye is believed to be the center of this resonance. When activated, it is said to amplify our ability to attune to these cosmic energies. It allows us to align with the vibrations of the universe, enhancing our intuitive abilities and our capacity to receive guidance from the unseen forces that govern our reality. Throughout history, various ancient practices and traditions have sought to awaken the third eye and activate its mystical potential. These practices often involve a combination of meditation, breathwork, and visualization techniques. Let's explore some of these methods. At the heart of these esoteric endeavors lies the practice of meditation, an art that transcends time and culture. Through the ages, meditation has consistently served as a profound tool for calming the turbulent waters of the mind, guiding individuals on a journey inward towards self-awareness. In the context of third eye activation, meditation finds a special role as a means to concentrate the mind's gaze upon the region of the third eye, gradually awakening this dormant energy center. The stillness achieved through meditation serves to sweep away the incessant chatter of everyday thoughts, leaving space for deeper insights, inner revelations, and intuitive wisdom to rise to the surface. But the path to the third eye's awakening is not limited to meditation alone. Controlled breathing exercises, as exemplified by the ancient practice of pranayama in yoga, have emerged as a powerful ally in this quest. These breathing techniques are designed to balance the subtle energies coursing through the human body, creating a harmonious equilibrium that is essential for the awakening of the third eye. By opening the channels through which vital energy flows, these exercises pave the way for heightened awareness, facilitating the blossoming of the dormant potential within. Visualization, another cornerstone of third eye activation, invites us to harness the boundless power of the mind's eye. This aspect of the journey entails the creation of vivid mental images and scenarios, aligning them meticulously with one's deepest intentions and desires. Through this creative process, the connection between the mind's eye and the external world is fortified, potentially culminating in the realization of one's most cherished goals and aspirations. It's a deeply transformative process that bridges the gap between the ethereal and the tangible. But the awakening of the third eye is not solely the domain of esoteric practices. It is inextricably linked to our overall well-being. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle, replete with a balanced diet, regular exercise, and adequate sleep, becomes a foundation upon which this awakening rests. Within this framework, it is essential to be mindful of substances that may thwart the process, such as fluoride, which has the potential to accumulate in the pineal gland and disrupt its function. Therefore, minimizing fluoride intake stands as a practical step towards nurturing the delicate balance of the third eye's awakening journey. It's important to note that the effectiveness of these practices can vary from person to person, and their impact may be subtle and gradual. Patience and persistence are often required to achieve significant results. As we navigate the mystical journey of third eye activation, it's crucial to understand the interplay between internal and external forces in shaping our perceived reality. Our perception is not solely a one-way process where we passively receive information from the external world. Instead, it's a dynamic exchange between our inner state of consciousness and the external stimuli we encounter. Our beliefs, thoughts, and emotions serve as filters through which we interpret the world around us. If our inner state is clouded by negativity, fear, or limiting beliefs, our perception of reality can become skewed, leading us to see only the negative aspects of our experiences. On the other hand, a clear and positive inner state can help us perceive the beauty and opportunities in even the most challenging situations. This interplay between internal and external forces can be understood through the analogy of a camera and its lens. The camera represents our consciousness, while the lens symbolizes our beliefs and emotions. If the lens is scratched or smudged, the resulting photographs will be distorted and unclear. Similarly, if our inner state is clouded by negative beliefs and emotions, our perception of reality will be distorted. The third eye, when activated, acts as a lens that is clear and focused. It allows us to perceive reality as it truly is, unencumbered by the distortions of our inner filters. In this state, we can tap into the deeper layers of existence, gaining insights and guidance that are often hidden from our ordinary senses. While the mystical and spiritual aspects of the pineal gland have been the subject of fascination for centuries, modern science has shed some light on its biological functions and significance. Recent research has expanded our understanding of this enigmatic gland. One interesting finding is that the pineal gland contains photoreceptor cells similar to those found in the retina of the eye. These cells are sensitive to light and play a role in regulating the production of melatonin, which, as mentioned earlier, helps regulate our sleep-wake cycles. The connection between the pineal gland and light sensitivity has led to the theory that it might have played a more prominent role in our evolutionary history, perhaps even functioning as an additional photoreceptor organ. Additionally, the pineal gland has been linked to the production of dimethyltryptamine, a naturally occurring psychedelic compound. DMT is known for its profound altered states of consciousness, and some speculate that the pineal gland might be responsible for the release of DMT during near-death experiences or deep spiritual practices. While these scientific insights offer valuable information about the pineal gland's biological functions, they do not discount its spiritual and mystical significance. In fact, they may underscore the interconnectedness between our physiological and mystical experiences, suggesting that the activation of the third eye and the exploration of altered states of consciousness are integral to our human experience. The exploration of the third eye and the activation of the pineal gland take us on a fascinating journey into the mystical and interconnected aspects of the human body, perception, and reality. This journey is one that bridges the ancient wisdom of spiritual traditions with modern scientific insights, highlighting the profound interplay between our internal and external worlds. As we journey through the uncharted territories of the third eye, one thing becomes clear: the potential for expanding our perception of reality lies within us, waiting to be awakened and explored. Whether through ancient practices or modern scientific discoveries, the human spirit continues to reach for the stars, seeking a deeper understanding of our place in the universe and the mysteries that lie within. In the end, the activation of the third eye, the pineal gland, is a journey of self-discovery and a quest to uncover the profound interconnectedness of all things. It is an exploration of the mystical and the scientific, the ancient and the modern, and a reminder that, as we open our third eye, we open the door to a richer, more profound experience of reality.